Hello everybody. Today I continue testing performance of Duino Coin on different hardware. In this video I will install and run Duino Coin miner on ESP01 board. First I downloaded miner release from GitHub. In miner folder we can find folder ESP8266_code folder. Open ESP8266_code.ino file with Arduino IDE. Change SSID to your Wi-Fi name. Change password to your Wi-Fi password. Enter username of Duino wallet. And rig name, it's optional. I checked that serial port is 500,000. Chose your board. I checked ESP8266 generic. Checked COM port where ESP connected. Uploading. Also I open serial port monitor. If you have error compiling this project, maybe you have not installed Arduino JSON library. After code uploaded, we can see in serial port monitor that miner started and average hash rate is 3.5 kilohash per second. Also I check power consumption, it's about 5 mAh. I think I will make small rig farm on them. Thank you for your attention. In future we'll check another hardware.